Kani ketika Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Keyboard penia jong Shillong Civil Hospital haka arpo itrek luber arjar arpo kila pelong dah ji kai ya kepada tip kum ka mock drill ne mock clinic ya ki doktor ki nurse bat ya ki nong tre jong ni hospital kum shibenta banyada ya ki patba nau knyang jingpang coronavirus. Joint Director of Health Services Surgeon Superintendent Jongka Civil Hospital Shillong Dr. SS Nongbri haka ji keren baka Batisi TV royatho baka jing pelong ini ka mock drill ne ka mock clinic kalong na do ikinong apahra hakerdop Jongka Hospital bat hadu kinong tray yakinos bat yaki doktor royatho bayamenta shipor rapen kre ka cancer wing ka badan hapo kani ka hospital kom ka observation ward bat ka isolation ward ladadan kinong pang kibangat ha uniuk knyang jingpang kipawan wa jing sumar nang ni hospital.
Sometimes feverish.
Where do you stay?
I stay here in Maulai.
Did you go anywhere outside of Shillong?
Yes, I went.
Where did you go?
I came from Delhi.
Delhi. When was that you came from Delhi?
It must be in the month of February. February 3rd, I came back.
You came back to Brisbane.
Yes.
So that's the holidays you have this problem.
Now I'm having for 10 days. I think around 1-2 weeks.
Do you have any fever?
Sometimes fever comes and
Difficulty in breathing?
difficulty breathing I don't have, but just cough and a sore throat.
Please lie down. When you stay for 2 weeks, 14 days, you have to be at home in quarantine. I'm giving you some medication. Okay? So for 2 weeks, you have to stay at home. Don't go anywhere, don't go outside public places especially. If you develop any history of fever, increased fever, or the symptoms worsen, or you have difficulty in breathing, okay, then immediately you come to the hospital, okay, for the test. Okay. For now, I'm giving you medicine. You won't take this medicine properly. Any problem you have, you come directly to us. Okay.
Mock drill nagi mock clinic mengiok kami pen ile ekani kenang bangila banyo good performance from my staff ki nagi staff jongan margidan ki staff na dot 4 grade di balai registration ki nurse ang tabag ni doktor nang makakam kan ya ibet kan ya nanti kan nonton ka break nani kan ka agam apa dan kejentrai ngilek kini kemak drill kenang ba nginlak mo ban tip hangno gitu ki staff jeng jiduna ngilak kan ai kai yang man ai training yang ki ndai balong mental ngilek kini ba kenja mock drill na mock klinik ni kot ban lak ka jeng jiduna jeng staff kenang ba kakam kan niat baik bahkan non perfect pat hadir ngilek ya kini mock drill na mental kan COVID-19 ka civil hospital ka lang bat ki bapang ndai tang kini COVID kibon di penumpang doan hospital ni kuat kan aja kai na duduk na security na gate ni la close mentan la lang very strict ke entry tu kali ni ke baru ni dak liswa P1 sini wan la ayu P1 sim dawai pi kuat sim dawai ayu ada ki om sim dawai ba kuat sim dawai macam sim masuk po la ni ba buyong kli lan ba ayu yang ki pidon dan jumpang ne P1 pat test covid ne ada ki om mas no baki kuat test covid na po security na gate hi kilapan i direction laban to ke direction po to pakin les po ka covid coronavirus corona clinic corona OPD ki okay sa symptoms ko lang kawai ba nong pang unwan budan jingsit ada mood ban sa hospital odi man dan complain of fever jingsit cerho dap sedam but kebakham don kami kan travel history dan ka ong bagi wan nasabar kumde e ong wan nasa foreign wan na po India ru kidon kami ban wan sekenika man register di maka padong kam ya baru ang kuntu hiba kino kina ke wan sa hospital di wan direct hospital kide iso ban phone 108 nomor balai P1 na po 108 call center bagi om nang tu kila record hang no visa hang no fidan kenang bakila man follow up ya kitu ke bawan kisah ai kita naik ke kisah ban no kenang bakan ni jumpang kan me batch ki we pakamen hi bak ni ai kan dia advice baik ini ke bawan ban test kawai kalong baki dia ban le ban buat ya kan home quarantine ada keempat jur ke jumpang kini ban buat ya ka jadi kai bagi dia ban song suahaya khasau sini dan kambah ban song po ini makin nemi sebar kata dia advice nangi nang ni ada keempat juan ngin pat advent ni pha iki makin song hi kita pat ni nang tai na po gate kini security lada ki ang mangiwan ban simdawai bangi kwa bangi sus mangilo ikwa pha sek ya wa naman test ka coronavirus ni COVID-19 dakila po hak po ka OPD na po reception ni kong first thing nila ay direction ni kini lada keliswa kila phone e 108 lada keempat phone ki hak phone hadin baki phone 108 ngisa register iki ngisa lek ka kai bak ni di ban le hak hospital